Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can create a slider using Carousel element in Elementor WordPress website. So now let me go here and create a new page. And here we can add the title. So let me give a random name, slider, then click on edit with Elementor. So make sure that you have installed Elementor WordPress plugin. And after that, now let me go here and add a new Flexbox container. Inside this container, here I want to add carousel element, this one. So make sure that you are using this one, not the image carousel as well as loop carousel. So these are available. Let me drag it here. And now let me scroll down. Number of slides to display 1. And then click on settings. Then scroll down. And after that, here you can set the direction, transition time, and these are the different options you can enable and disable. Then navigation, so let me disable. Then for the pagination, dots. Now let me go to style, and here you can see these are the different style options. So here you can manage the gap between the slides, and after that, for the pagination, here you can select the custom size. So let me add it 5, and then you can adjust the spacing. And here you can add some color. Then space from the slides, select this one, none. So after that, now here you can see in Carousel I have 3 slides. Now I want to add the container inside these slides. So let me drag it here, and now here I want to add some height, VH 100. And now here you can see this one is the container. Inside this container I want to add some content. So let me get icon box and then remove the icon. So I think we can also use heading and text separately. So now let me select this one, H1, and then align it in the left, and then let me go back to the container settings and then select it in the center. After that, here now I want to add some spacing so that it should be some to the right position. And now I want to change the text color, white. Description color should also be white. So this one is the hover color. Okay, that looks fine. And now here I can go, then select full width, stretch, remove the gap, then advanced. Here padding should be 0. For the carousel you can also select 0. Then for the slide, full width, gap should be 0, padding should be 0. Then container inside, so this one is also full width. Okay, now I want to add some background to the container, not the slide. And here I want to add this one image, so you can easily upload more images from here. Let me go and upload the images. So here I have some images. I think these would look better. This one. Then scroll down and here select the display size, cover, no repeat, and then center. So after that, background overlay color, that looks fine. And then here I can increase heading size. So now this is looking much better. Description size also, here you can see different typography options. And here you can use custom width. Let me change it to the 85%. So now here you can see it's looking fine. And if you want to remove the title for this page, then you can go here, page settings, click on hide title. So now title is removed. And for the dot size, we can go back to the carousel settings and then pagination. So this should be in style tab. This one, let me increase dot size. Okay, I think our slide is complete. Now we can quickly create two more slides. So here we can go on carousel and then remove these slides and then click on duplicate. And now here we can rename these slides, slide 2, slide 3. Then for each slide container, here we can go and expand it, then add a different background image. This one. And then for the last slide, we can expand it, then add a container background image. Now let's go and check. So that's working fine. In this way, you can easily create a slider using carousel module.